at the Irving Eco-Centre at Dune de Bouctouche, and one thing I think people really enjoy about our beach is that you can enjoy all the qualities of a regular clean beach while also being able to learn and explore different ecosystems that we have here.
Hi, my name is Yasmine. I'm an interpreter at the Irving Eco-Centre at Dune de Bouctouche. One of the things I found great about the Eco-Centre is not only does it protect a large number of species, it also lets you enjoy the three main environments in New Brunswick, and that would include the wetlands, the forest, and the ocean.
Hi, I'm Josh and I work at the Visitor Center at Dune de Bouctouche. And what I appreciate the most about the dunes is the fact that J.D. Irving committed to conserving one of the last great dunes in North America and has sustained a healthy ecosystem.